It's more stable if you go faster.
Well, it's scary.
What do you think?
I'm not good at it. That's what I think.
Oh, you're fine.
Scary.
So you're gonna commute to work on this?
No. What do you mean? I work like 20 miles away.
It's got 20 miles range.
I gotta get back.
Well, you plug in at work.
What 25-mile-per-hour roads am I gonna take?
Good point. It'll only take you an hour and a half to get there. Well, you can run up to the shops and back.
Yeah, the shops.
Yeah, run down to your friend's house and back.
The one right across the street.
Yeah. All right, give it the beans and accelerate away.
The beans?
Yeah.
Who says the beans?
Everyone.
I've never heard anyone.
Give it the beans, yeah.
Big sunglasses.
You done?
Well, looks like your battery's low.
Just when you run it, it shows low.
Do it one more time.
Now we can't get her off of it.
Yeah, you can. There's a car coming.
We'll switch it to middle. And then switch it to go fast. Look at that look on her face. Go on.
Oh, hold on. The vehicle.
All right, floor it.
No. I'm going there.
Full throttle. She didn't want to ride it. Now she won't get off of it. She keeps going up and down the road. Oh, man.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Oh, geez.